In this video, we show you how to view information to pay your employees and HMRC and check your RTI submissions. Let's take a look. From the Pay Employees page for the relevant pay period, click Options, then choose Download Bank Payment File. Select to download either a BACS or Faster Payments file to upload to your internet banking to pay your employees. To generate the files, you must have completed the bank reference field in the Organisation tab of Payroll Settings before posting the pay run. Xero only includes employees with completed bank details and electronic transfer set as the payment method in their employee record. Click Download to generate the bank payment file. If you pay staff manually, download the payslips to view net pay so you know how much to pay each employee for the period. Next, let's find the amount we need to pay HMRC. Select the Payroll tab, then choose Taxes and Filings. The Taxes and Filings page displays the amount due to HMRC for each tax period you filed a pay run in Xero. If you run multiple pay frequencies or an unscheduled pay run, expand the tax period to see a breakdown of the pay runs included in each tax period. If you click P32 Details, a pop-up window will appear with a summary of the information. Click Download P32 PDF to view the P32 report with further information. In our example, the report displays the total amount due for the tax period from 6th of July to 5th of August. Xero calculates the amount as income tax plus gross Class 1 national insurance minus employment allowance. Moving on, let's review the RTI submission to HMRC to ensure we filed the payroll information to them. From the Payroll tab, select RTI Filings. Xero submits a full payment submission, FPS, and Employer Payment Summary, EPS, to HMRC for each pay period. Check the FPS status, which displays as accepted or declined. For further details about the most recent submission, click the Overflow menu, where you can choose to download Submission XML and download HMRC response. Alternatively, select the Pay Period checkbox and click the Download Submission XML and Download HMRC response buttons at the bottom of the screen. If HMRC has declined the submission, the response will detail the reason for the rejection so you can rectify the issue. To resubmit the information to HMRC, correct the issue, then return to this screen. Click the FPS for the pay period, and then click Resubmit. The submissions count displays the number of times you've submitted a pay run to HMRC for the pay period. You can download a historical submission or HMRC response by selecting the relevant pay period and then clicking the Overflow menu against a submission under Submission History. Xero schedules the EPS to submit to HMRC on the 12th of the month following the tax period to report any statutory deductions. If your business needs to report CIS suffered, click the EPS for the period or click Update CIS. Then, enter the amount of CIS suffered during the tax period. If you've moved to Xero payroll partway through the tax year, you must enter the total cumulative CIS suffered for the tax year to date in your first RTI filing in Xero. Xero populates the corporation tax UTR field if you've entered the number in the HMRC tab of Payroll Settings. If the field is empty, enter your corporation tax unique taxpayer reference. Remember to click Save to add the CIS details.